So this brings us to the end of this session as well as this one-day conference on intellectual property rights and the regulatory affairs. Now I request Professor Hemant Jadhav, the head of the pharmacy department, to give a concluding remarks and to end the one-day conference. Thank you. So, Professor Hemant, over to you.
Good evening, everyone. So, because of the pandemic, we could not have conferences on campus. We wanted these conferences to be here, wherein the expert speakers can come here and discuss with our students, not only during the session, but off the session also, because in any conference, the off the session discussions are very fruitful and very important also towards the young minds which are coming up in this field. Nonetheless, when the lockdown was extending, then we thought that why not have some at least discussions and online sessions for our benefit of our students and make these sessions available for everyone, not to BITS Pilani, but the other stakeholders also. So with this intention, we had organized the series of conferences. We had 3 conferences. October 30, 31st, we had a conference on the computational computer-grade drug design. The second was on the drug discovery and delivery on November 6 and 7. And this is the third virtual conference on the regulatory affairs as well as intellectual property rights related to pharmaceuticals. So, as today morning Director Sir mentioned, Professor Barai mentioned, that we began with the design, then the discovery part, then delivery, and finally concluded with the regulatory aspects. So, I hope that this series is complete, and what we have done is, for benefit of everyone else, we have uploaded these lectures on YouTube, so that at any given point, if someone wants to review, someone wants to revisit, or someone wants to share, they are available. And that is the best use of internet we can have, wherein we can share the information, right? Not in the real time, but as well as the after time limits, beyond the conference also this can be made accessible. So in this series, we had speakers from academia as well as from industry as well as from various other organizations, non-governmental organizations. We also had a good support of our faculty members, research scholars, as well as the participants who have joined these sessions from not only from India, also from the other countries as well. In particular, in this conference, we did not plan it for 2 days because our previous experience was 2 days becomes too lengthy, and to maintain the crispness, we had 6 speakers, all from industry, touching upon various aspects of regulatory as well as the intellectual property right area. Right from Dr. Patnaik, from Teva, to the last speaker, Mr. Jimesh Shah, right? All have given different views of the regulatory aspect. In fact, when we were having the lecture of Dr. Nair, who spoke in great detail about the oncology clinical development, we have a course called clinical research, and this lecture would be much useful to them as well. Course in the sense a subject. In BITS language we call it course, whereas others they call it subject. So we have a subject called clinical research, and that discussion will be very much helpful. Farheen, Dr. Patnaik, Dr. Mr. Jimesh, and Dr. Mishra, whatever they spoke about, that is helpful for our students who are learning the course, that is subject on quality assurance and regulatory affairs. So in a way, this conference is useful to the newly joined master students, to those students who have done these courses, to the outside participants also, because they are getting a different view. So in a way, I consider this series of 3 conferences a success in that perspective, and all the lectures are online, so it is very good medium for students to review those topics as well. So I thank all the speakers for today, Dr. Patnaik, Dr. Mishra, Mr. Shah, Dr. Nair, and Dr. Pinakin, and Dr. Farheen. We are very much thankful for agreeing to speak on a short note. In fact, we started planning only last week, and all of you very kindly agreed to speak, and we immediately prepared the brochure and shared with everyone else. We had good participation also, although online we can see here there are 74 participants, but we know that in Google, in YouTube, there are some participants who are viewing, and some may be a little relaxed. They would be thinking that, okay, why not revise it later instead of seeing it today itself. So that's the benefit of internet, and they are using it the most. So I thank all the speakers who have taken time out of their busy schedule and presented the information for the benefit of the science as well as the society. I thank the faculty members, Dr. Gaikwad, Dr. Deepak, Dr. Anil Jindal, Dr. Murli Pandey, because they brought in their contacts on a short notice. These contacts, these speakers were made available because of their efforts. So I thank them also. I thank other faculty members as well for their support. And the research scholars, master students, for being patient, and they are attending even without registration also. So they all have been very patient, because we send them link the last moment. Yesterday itself, I sent the students this link for this conference, but participants we sent day before yesterday. So the students also I should thank, and we are very much happy with the outcome of this series of conferences. So for the benefit of students, maybe as a conference or maybe as guest lectures, we would like to continue this session. Probably next month is the comprehensive part. So next month in January, February sometime, if time permits, we would like to arrange more such interactions with the industry people as well as renowned academics, and we will make it available to the outside participants also. In fact, all the speakers, I'm thankful, and we once the lockdown opens, or once the COVID situation subsides, and when we have a free movement, then we would like the speakers to come to the campus, see our campus, motivate our students, interact with us, and as in the beginning, Director Sir mentioned that yes, we are open to collaborations, to outside participants also, to anyone. We are open for collaborations. So thank you very much. One and all, I should hope to see you again when we arrange such sessions in the future. Thank you. Goodbye. Good day.